Hello everyone, my name is Xiaohang and I'm a student from University of Edinburgh. I selected the MakerBot 3D printer from the museum. 3D printing becomes increasingly mature in recent years, and there are several different types of materials that a printer can use to create products. However, those are we call the additive manufacturing machines, which means that to build a substrate on the platform and then to print the things layer by layer. Now we can use it to print some plastic toys or artificial limbs and so on. Although now the 3D printer has not yet universal for all the normal people, it has a bright future. As the cost of the printer goes down and the reduction of operational difficulties for those design software, every family can afford one. At that time, people can just print a new component to replace it if something is broken. In addition, for the macro-industrial aspect, house may be built by a 3D printer instead of by labor force. The construction may be speeded up and the cost may be reduced sharply. Those are not very far from us. It may only need 20 years to become mature. From the article from Forbes, we can see that 3D printing has a bright future. Only over half of companies in different areas are actively trying to get benefits from it. The material types that can be 3D printed will become various, like metal and graphite rather than only plastic, so that the technology can be used in increasing areas and industries. The article is reliable from my perspective because it collects many opinions from entrepreneurs and celebrities from many industries. Thus, it can conclude how 3D printing presents as a whole in the future. In the opposite, there are also still some barriers and problems that might retard 3D printer being well developed. Firstly, a news posted on technology website claims that the plastic, which is the main raw material of 3D printing, is not environmentally friendly because it cannot be degraded naturally and it will discharge noxious gas while burning. Besides the copyright problem and the security problem, people can easily make fake products or weapons like guns through 3D printing. Also, the 3D printing is extremely time consuming. It takes hours or even days to make one product. Therefore, it's more suitable for customization rather than volume production. The opinion is partially correct, I think. I believe the material problem will be improved by adapting more types of raw materials in the future, so that we don't have to use plastic to produce all things. From my perspective, 3D printing will become more common in the future. However, it cannot replace the traditional manufacturing industry. The main area it can show its muscle is customization. The biggest change for a normal family might be that they can fix things by their own by just print a new one in the future. So that's all. Thank you.